Osamis City is where the future of our youth is being shaped with care and commitment. On March 22, 2024, at the Osamis City School of Arts and Trades, the Department of Education, Osamis City Division, proudly launched school-based teen centers to address the holistic needs of our youth. This unified launch not only inaugurated these vital centers but also celebrated their Level 1 accreditation by the Department of Health, underscoring their commitment to providing comprehensive services to our youngsters. This was also supported by the Commission on Population and Development Region 10, showcasing their dedication to fostering informed decision-making, promoting well-being, and offering a nurturing environment for growth and development. These newly established teen centers in Ocsat, Pulot National High School, Muntol National High School, and Marcelino C. Regis Integrated School will provide a venue for teens to express their feelings, acquire correct information on sexual and reproductive health, and discuss various issues they encounter. Osamis City National High School also led this initiative in 2023, serving as the city's inaugural teen center and continues to inspire others. The establishment of the Teen Hubs was made possible through the support of JPIGO under the SHE project, funded by Global Affairs Canada and led by Oxfam to address adolescent health issues, including teenage pregnancy, by establishing youth-friendly facilities in schools.
The first school that they partnered actually is Osamis City National High School. And then when we talked about more openings of school-based teen center, we were so inspired to open more, considering that we identified schools where may mga registered guidance counselors. The 4 schools which were formally launched included Ocsat, Muntol National High School, Marcelino C. Regis, and Pulot National High School. These 4 schools have already worked out the requirements since 2023, last year, based on the DOH requirements. And then they were also validated last March 11 and 12 by DOH officials, and they complied all the necessary requirements, making them Level 1 accredited school-based teen centers. And that is a testament and accomplishment of our partnership with JPIGO Philippines on or in addressing particularly teenage pregnancies, among other issues.
Yung primary goal ng Osamis City National High School Teen Center ay makatulong sa mga teens natin to protect them and to be safe inside the school campus, specifically yung mga activities ng teens na magkakaroon sila ng magandang kinabukasan.
More on, kami ay nag-offer ng information dissemination gamit yung Healthy Young Ones. Napakalaking help po ng Healthy Young Ones sapagkat meron po kaming guide kung ano ang aming ituturo sa mga estudyante na nakabase sa kanilang mga edad. Dahil doon, maraming natututo at maraming naliwanagan kung paano pangalagaan ang kanilang mga sarili at makaiwas sa mga di kaaya-aya or maagang pagbubuntis.
Services offered by the teen centers include educational videos, counseling sessions facilitated by registered guidance counselors, personality and gender development workshops, recreational activities, and crucial referral services.
Itong teen center na kinreate po ay para sa mga batang nangangailangan ng emotional, social, spiritual, and mental needs. So, this teen center is safe and safe for everyone po. So, any gender without discrimination po, pwede pong gumamit ng mga service at mag-avail ng services po ng aming teen center. So, yung ina-offer po naming services, meron po kaming peer counseling, meron pong career guidance, at meron po kaming heads, yung assessment po, at meron pong mga recreational activities since meron po kaming nilagay dyan na mga books, board games, and also, meron po kaming programs that promote mental health. Bago po na isagawa yung teen center, there are cases po minsan na merong nabuntis bago pa gumraduate ng grade 10 po at grade 12 at meron pong nabubuli na mga kababaihan. So far po, since naisagawa po yung teen center, dahil meron sila safe haven, kumbaga, ipapalabas nila yung kanilang mga problema at ma-educate po namin sila regarding sa sexual health education. So far po, as of now, since na ipatayo yung teen center, wala pa po kaming cases ng teenage pregnancy.
Nakatabang siya namo as students because napoy daghan nga mga students nga maulaw sila mo istorya silang mga feelings is because basig mahadlok sila ma-judge or mabuli tungod sa ilang mga gipambati. So naami teen centers para ma-istorya nila ang ilang mga unsaid feelings kay basig maulaw sila nga istorya sa uban. So na sila maistorya sa teen center nga ila pong masaligan nga ang ilang ipang istorya kay dili pod ipang share sa uban para na pod sa ilahang safe.
Ginawa din itong teen center dahil tinuturan kami ni Ma'am Donica kung paano maging responsable sa aming mga sarili at iwasan ang mga mali sa ating mga buhay.
Para sa akin, yung teenage pregnancy ay yung teen center nakakatulong sa akin kasi tinuruan kami ni ma'am kung paano umiwas at paano rin namin magagabayan maiiwasan yun. This teen center, ito yung avenue ng mga students na free sila na magtanong kung kapag may curiosity sila or may mga doubts or questions sila kasi yan yung minimake sure ko na they can ask anything here sa teen center as long as it is respectful. So talagang ini-encourage ko na hindi sila mahiya sa akin, na comfortable sila kasi kung may mga tanong sila or may humihingi sila ng ma'am ano yung dapat kong gawin, hindi sila masya-shy na mag-open up sa akin.
Malaking tulong ito para sa amin, para matulungan kami para sa aming mga gawaing projects at kung may katunungan man kami sa ilang subjects kagaya ng math, science, at sa iba pang assignments namin.
This is the place where you can de-stress or have fun activities if you're feeling negative thoughts. And this is a place where you can make friends and do activities that will keep your mind healthy and happy.
The centers also provide referral services for cases involving pregnant and sexually abused learners to relevant government agencies such as the City Social Welfare and Development Office, City Health Office, Mayor Hilarion A. Ramiro Sr. Medical Center, and the Philippine National Police's Women and Children Protection Desk. Beyond the launch, DepEd Osamis City Division and GPIGO, through the SHE project, eagerly anticipate the transformative impact of these teen centers in empowering adolescents, fostering healthy behaviors, and shaping a brighter future for the city's youth.
Through the implementation of programs and project namin, na-lesser po yung pregnancy problem sa paaralan. So noon, marami tayong mga estudyante na nagkakaroon ng problema na ganun. Pero sa ngayon, through the implementation of teen center, na ang mga estudyante ay makapunta doon na ino-offer namin yung guidance and counseling, yung iba't ibang activities. So parang nag-lesser na yung sa pregnancy na problema. At saka yung mga estudyante na medyo sa barkada, ngayon nasa sports na po sila.
Well, I think what's set up here now in the school is great for the community, great for the school, and I truly believe it's going to make a difference to the young people. So I hope it will continue. I hope it will spread even more. It's great for young people to come and feel they have a place to come and share their problems.
And for this, we are so thankful. The opening of the 5 teen centers, school-based teen centers of DepEd Ozamis, we would like to thank particularly Japaigo Philippines in partnership with Oxfam, PKKK, and Global Affairs Canada for sharing resources in order to be of service to the learners of DepEd Ozamis. Thank you so much for making us part of your SHE project. May this will benefit more learners as we go along. You started it out, so we will keep on giving more to our learners, considering that you have started it. So we will never fail in sustaining and giving more for our learners. So we will continue and be steadfast in giving service to Ozamisnon learners of DepEd.
Through unity and perseverance, the vision for the school-based teen centers in Ozamis has become a reality, embodying our commitment and promoting holistic youth development.